So this is the front of our building. As you can see, we're at the intersection of Monta Vista and Whittier Boulevard. So we sit literally on the signal. As some people pull in, then we kind of designated this drop-off spot so people don't have to mess with the parking. And it's been working out good. On the outside of the building, I put a bunch of things out here so to catch people's attentions. Night drops, we just have the old mail slot door. So we'll come on inside and we'll check out the showroom. All right guys, so welcome inside. This is our waiting room. We try to make it as comfortable as could be for those people that are waiting. We do offer obviously amenities and coffee and soft drinks, water. We do have like a small workstation over here just in case anybody's here and they need to catch up on work. We do also have like a kids play area. That way, you know, keep the kiddos entertained. Seating, obviously TV and that, but we'll kind of roll this way. Then I'll introduce you to Jose. Say what's up, Jose.
Hello.
So Jose, he just started with us about a week ago. So he's our new customer service representative slash training service advisor. So yeah, so he's up here in the front of the house handling it. Essentially the bathroom for most of us, if not all of us. It's not too much to see in there. It's literally a bathroom. So, but I do plan to do some remodeling to it. Since I got the second bays over on the other side, there's a bathroom over there. So I'm dedicating that bathroom for the guys to use. This one will be purely for clients, and so I'm gonna do it all in here. Right now it's just pretty plain and just clean, you know. This area over to this side of me, this is the kind of essentially the guy's break room, uniforms, all that stuff. I do plan to also change this all up. Like I want to almost build in my kind of a tiny kitchen, you know, so if they want to bring like hot plates or like steamers, because you know some of them want to, you know, eat well and eat their vegetables. So yeah, so I plan to redo this. Right now it's just essentially it's just a break room. So that is that. So behind this door is where I locked up my service advisor because guy was just out of control. So I had to contain him, put him somewhere where he can't hurt people. No, I'm kidding. So this is our office that we share currently. It's, you know, essentially he's got his workstation over here. I got my workstation over here. And together, this is the war room. This is where things go down. All right, guys, so now we will go into the shop and just take a look around. Don't judge me too hard. Come on in. All right, so this is essentially like bay one. This is Kyle's bay. This is my foreman. The mad scientist is running around here somewhere. I just saw him. Oh, there he is. Don't look at him too long because he is camera shy. Anyways, so oil filters we stock over here. Parts drop off stuff is over here towards the door so the drivers can drop off things quickly. Any other little supplies and things that, you know, we have on this side. Over to this side is like nuts and bolts, you know, because I mean we should never need new nuts and bolts, right? But yeah, we do, because they just fall, right? We don't know where they go. So I got full stock supply of nuts and bolts. We got our parts washer. We have our waste oil in the corner, and then we can go this way. So this is Kyle's station. Next to Kyle, that's David's station, and then at the very end, that's Eric's station. So obviously, you know, we're always really busy doing motors and doing, you know, just all that good stuff. But stock our batteries back here. Again, special tools are over here. Another nuts and bolts station for American cars, which, you know, like older American cars, all the standard bolts, AC machines, things like that, or all this stuff's back here. But we'll go to the other side and just kind of walk through over there. All right, guys, so this is essentially the extension of our shop. I was able to pick this up because the tint guy that's now one door over, he used to actually occupy this space. The shop over there is a little bit bigger, but it's identical to my shop because they're the front of the complex. So the waiting room there is huge, you know? Yeah, it's like, it could be a 3-bay shop. It's like, I don't need that waiting room, you know? So I ended up taking this spot, so we're able to get 2 lifts in here. And it's just 2 lifts in the bathroom, obviously, over here, which I'm gonna have the guys start to use. But, you know, we just outfitted it with lifts, compressor. They got like a lot of the shop tools over here, like the press and all those things are here, but I still want to outfit this a little bit more with like just some simple things like some, you know, oil filters, things like that, so they don't have to walk back and forth for it. Right now I'm just having the service advisor get at least the filter for them or whoever's on this side to do the job, so kind of speeds that process up a little bit. So yeah, it's been about a year that we've been open on this side, and so far so good. I'm glad I jumped on it because being at 3 bays for 9 years, it was just too overwhelming. There was just too much going on, not enough space, can't do anything. So this has helped out tremendously. And yeah, so we're rocking 5 lifts now. All right, guys and gals. So I know I brought you through the shop, you saw the bays, met the guys. But like I said, it's been 10 years and it's been a really good ride here in La Habra. It's been really taking care of us. You know, we're taking care of everybody else. And just wanted to say, if you guys are in the area, you can stop in and see us. Anyway, we'll hopefully show some upgrades in the next year or so as far as those things I was talking about. But thanks, guys. Adios.